Watch it there for Sheila washing at the gully while them call out my name. I was all fast with that truck off. So I said, just to see a bar, you know. That's a movie.
Something right now. Okay.
She knew me very well.
Yeah.
So it's like when him gone out, hear the girl no colours. You know, so me just a wait to see him did I go do.
Yeah.
You know, so the man sent a next police for me yesterday. One new cop. Yeah. The cop take me down last night.
Him do
He didn't like hold on to me. He just say one.
This right here is Blackie one stop corner on the main.
How y'all doing?
She's in a rush. I'll text you.
How are you doing when you come over?
How far reach up?
All of them clean.
Yeah.
You got the whole of them clean someone.
Right.
The water run.
Oh, I come through here so as well. Wow. So Hero, I got 50 US here for you. Yeah, from Susie. From Demonton. She was here earlier. Yeah. Yeah.
Over here to the post come.
Oh, that's so heavy it is.
And that's why you find them stone even broke down. You put some stone more time with the post side and broke it off.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Wow. Yes guys, so telling you the sun is out. The sun is out, but you got some clouds back that way. So The sun was just in just now, you know, but it keep on going in and out because you have some cloud keep on nip in and nip out. But I'm here now at Marma River. They just park up, and as I'm speaking to you, you can see it's getting a bit darker now because the sun is going inside of the cloud. Yeah, so but still, it's a nice day. I can literally hear the river from here. Over here, you have an Airbnb. Seems like there's a pool there. So I don't know if it's an Airbnb, but that's definitely a building. Look like a home. Yeah, but it look like it's been closed for the longest while. But the yard seems like it's been maintained. You know, you can see the grass. Them is not too high, and you can see this tree far along from when Beryl passed through. So Beryl lit that down on that one. So you know, as you see, I check out the spots them that we always go to, you know, and so Marma River. Me and the team did want to come up here, but Boomer told me that the river came down. So we don't know how bad it is. You know, the sandbags that I'm always used to make up the pool areas probably washed away. So I'm just here to see what's been taking place since Beryl passed through. That girl Beryl. So as you can hear the river, nice. Wow. As you can see, there's no bags. The pool is not there. Everything washed away, look. So it's just running water. Look, see, you cannot jump off anymore. It's just running water now. Literally running water. So the river really came down and do the damage. So the pool area is not here. You know? The pool area is not there. So oh, Bama is here now. See? But the water is flowing a bit heavy, you know, because you can see there's rain up in the hills. You know, there's rain up in the hills. And there's people living up here. You know, we need to take a check to see what's going on in this community. Very small, but there's people living up there. Just seen my daughter. See her there. Hey, trouble. General. Woman are reaching. Oh, same time say now hour and a half ago. Him say leave in an hour. That's an hour and a half ago.
Long so far, man.
Yeah. As usual, I'm always see you with this broom or the stick.
Oh, I'm still on there. We have to keep the place.
Always. Yeah. So how the barrel treat you up here?
Well, naturally, I just done yesterday. Yesterday we settled where we found. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take some work back.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. What happened? We are call you biological daddy or you call me? A big friend. Sister. How do you get thinking to? Up your friend. Look at thinking toes. Pure thinking toe. Thinking toe. With the others too and though. Having a thinking toe. Thinking toe. Hey. Really think. Really thinking to a boy. So they say all I pull them wash away.
Yeah, all of them pull down, man. Line down. Yeah, all of them pull down, man.
Cause the rain still on and off. Yeah. They got rain yesterday?
Yeah, no, yesterday we got come down every again yesterday.
Come on.
No, not yesterday.
The day before?
Yeah, Tuesday.
Yeah, come on, day before. This yard of nature, this space of nature. Huh? Wow. So, I say almost there. Almost I rest my hand on this tree. Almost. Yeah, with a pure maca this. Yeah. Almost I put my hand on this. Look, it's pure maca. So if I wasn't looking, I'm going to I went like this. Oh, they touch it to break off in the hand. Yeah, good. So what's that, coconut tree?
Yeah, we call it maca pot.
Maca pot?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So this tree is well protected by pure maca. No one can climb it.
Right, that's it.
So this is the defensive mechanism that it have. The maca. Okay, so only when them drop.
Yeah.
So you see what nature is? It'll give you a warning, don't climb me, just wait till I give you. Just wait your turn. Don't climb me. I'll try to pick me early. Go damn maca fat. Guys, I missed it because I almost rest my hand on the tree. I get pure stick. Look, it's pure maca you're looking at. Sharp. You have your little farm.
Yes. That's the real from this
So not also never really get damaged. Because you know there's a lot of trees around here.
Oh yeah, really tear down.
Yeah. Well, so no tree not really too tear down.
You know, tear down and nothing, I just can't see.
Mm-hmm.
I just a roof off.
Come down. I agree, it's another place. Yes, sir, true, man. Breeze blow down. And one day I don't want to buy a drink for you know. I want to buy a drink for you. What? That kick already. Strong. Strong, boy. Yeah, I love the vibes up here. I love the nature vibes, you know?
Yeah, I take by the thing nice again, man. So, man, just soon as the rain ease up on the time, now.
Yeah. So now land up here now sell?
No, I'm mostly on the next side.
On the next side?
Yeah.
So up here now no violence and everything there? None of that? Calm.
Violence around, but I look at community area called Mama River.
Huh?
I say, you will find violence around, but you still have
Okay.
community area
Called Mama River,
yeah,
none of that?
different. Yeah. Different, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's nice, man. Because with this tranquility, with the river and everything, the nature vibes, you miss. You miss real maroon, you know. Yeah, maroon. You know that? A real maroon. Say hello.
Hello.
So you now sell to the ways of goods. Where your goods there? Your ear red, you know. Hey, your ear red. You have red and
Actually,
black.
I more ticket.
Red here.
More ticket.
I natural here this though.
Yeah, man.
Through the river, red. Here.
You don't mix? She mix?
No, I don't say just naturally.
Natural.
Because then only that color maroon.
Like me I say, yeah. Say a maroon, you know the maroon? You have to go check up on a maroon and say, yeah, but nanny of the maroon.
So
Real African. Yeah.
Like it stop come a river like Sunday.
You see the river wash way.
How are you there when the river come over? Are we
How far it reach up?
The river come over, all of them, all of them so they're clean.
Yeah.
You got all of them place, man.
Right.
We have to.
the water run?
Oh, it come through here so as well. Wow.
If you're there, I saw the river come. Me sell the store now.
The whole of here so.
My mother move that table and put it up there.
Yeah.
The river clean them back up.
Next week, gonna come here and have chocolate to sell, yeah?
A chocolate.
So my table them.
So the river come from that corner and that corner.
Yeah.
Damn. Heavy.
I will not come back to the river.
Well, as soon as the bag them fix up back and everything. Was gonna come here yesterday.
No, brother.
You know.
Yesterday better he come with the picnic.
No, but
You missed the picnic then.
yeah, what happened?
If then he come have fun, they must have bought for me.
But at least they may never get washed still. You could banana them never get washed way. And the river
Then
come down.
The bamboo then he drop down.
Huh?
The bamboo then he drop down.
Yeah.
Fixing have to fix them back.
Everything drop down.
I will say there and see them things you say and hold for things you say there.
Wash way, could I get wash way? Hey.
I look at me a little far. So why you not come swim today?
Sure, well, no way. So you're sweetening it with like milk?
Milk, yeah.
So you're not stirring it to get that? Yeah. never drink the juice yet? Yeah. Oh, together? Guinea and thinking too. And soak them. Yeah. I gotta try it while I'm there. I forget a whole heap of them.
will get the feeling. Till I get a certificate down. Down.
Boomer. Up. Good. Eh? Trenchtown.
Battlefield, you know?
Battlefield.
Yeah, right. I chew, why?
I was there with
I chew.
Boomer.
People once again, man. He knock forward now. Him say he wants to see the thing after his storm.
Yes.
So I say, look, well, him come when it actually clear up still and things. So you know see that much like
Yeah.
when it just occur. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But give thanks, like not really do no damage. It just bear the place. Cause the place is stay away, so bear the whole place. The whole place get beard and fresh. So anytime we put him back the bag, them people, me I tell you, and the paradise just start again.
Yeah. To show because we also guys say no there you know after Beryl pass through.
Yeah.
You know what's your name Beryl?
That them say to me.
Miss Beryl. The pass through Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, I do some damage. And you're gone and don't even tell you later. You know, I'll leave us with some package.
Yeah.
Just take all the package and leave us with the rubbish. Yeah, that's not good.
I hold it for mastica.
Yes, and hold it for mastica. So here you know at Mama River, as you can see the water is really coming down, really powerful there. It's flowing harder now, as you can see. It's flowing really harder right now.
By next week, we will be getting the pool now.
Yes.
We will be getting the pool by next week. I ease the rain, I ease down now. The rain kind of cool off now. Enough is enough, you know. Rain cannot do more than what we can bear. So, they give you a portion now and the presentation now, what time to do what we are doing now.
Yes, can if give us what we can bear now.
Because apparently you see the river come down. Of course it come down, brother.
Yes.
Brother, that's why it's so clean and pretty now.
It come all the way up here, sir?
Well, it wash up from the store right here, so
right,
it's pretty come hard.
Yeah.
Pretty come hard. When you cover them stone, over here to the post come.
Oh, that's how heavy it is.
And that's why you find them stone even broke down. You push some stone more time with the post side and broke it off. Even a piece, look how it crack.
Yeah.
It crack.
Yeah.
A stone come over and lick it, you know. Yeah, eventually the stone has a piece there, you know.
So gone.
So we have to go and put that piece and the greatest thing you have it on this.
Yes. Before.
It's not me I have it now, in the present time now.
So before.
No rearrangement, because it's all about rearrangement too, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
I know I get some scotch bright or some stone and get rid of them green there.
Alright. And the rough blue.
Yeah.
The rough blue.
Yes. I know it's a nice little spot that. Yeah? Yeah.
Overall, the whole pool, somebody in the pool. Every time you see it, I get to like one day when you see it, I get like raw.
Yeah.
Pull it. Rubber all stone. Use my rake and my shovel and turn over the sand them.
Clean it out.
Yeah, kind of clean it.
Okay.
And my meditation, I study it, you know. It's like a school, maybe this is my school, you know. So study it and see how me treat it.
Yes.
How me treat it. So I back up the pool, yeah, a couple months well. How it have clean. Now I pull it now.
And clean
all
it.
the stone them where in the pool.
Yes.
Now we get them the clean. And the filter this, you know, the sand, you know. So I turn it over. Move the shovel and rake and turn it over. So I take up on the step right now.
Yeah.
I have to move because I finish. From up here to go right down to the work.
Yeah.
A process.
A process.
Yeah, man.
We go down by the other side because as you can see, you know, Boomer put in the work, same here. You know, step by step, just like Father Love, same here. I take him time, I bring back Portmore Harbour Beach. You know, because he's been putting in his work as well too. Because I say once we love it, you know, and it's part of us, so we're going to do it. You know, just like the work come here do.
And if it's a pier, if it's a pier, listen now. Alright, I come go up on the farm now. People just work the farm for like money meditation alone sometimes. You don't have even the joy of the money where you work for, you know?
No.
Because the whole 30 part of your meditation is to the money. Sometimes you have to just do it. Alright, I carry down them the key, you know, I can't tell you. I don't make a dollar out of it.
Yeah. Just give it back.
Because Jubel, she come and do some little damage.
Yeah.
Some people are, them for call the market now, forget, $1 banana. Money them have to pay. I can't give them a full hand for free.
Just like that.
And me farm it and
Yes.
bring it here, so. And give it to like that.
Same way.
I'm not have the money I hold on for my mind.
No.
I'm not lose nothing more for win. Cause my love more stronger.
Yes, yes.
While me I share the work that I do. My love gets stronger, me become stronger.
Yes.
Love her inside.
Yeah, because I love her inside, you know. So guys, as I can see, here's where the pool was. You know, where the water was shocking off and diving off. As I can see, through the bags, them wash away.
Yeah.
You know. So we're standing right here now, without the bags.
Yeah man, you see me anywhere.
Yes. So right now the river is flowing.
Hey,
you know.
I'm gonna take off your shoes and give them a look at the bubble bath there, you know, but them never see yet.
The bubble bath.
Remember, so we used to back this, you know.
Oh.
With the bag.
Yeah.
So you never take nothing around this.
The bubble bath.
You take it from all ears, you know, where you carry them in, you know, go show them. It's a cave like, you know, you see it?
Okay, okay.
Look at the tubes right now.
Yeah. Well, we can't go across here, see.
I can't take them on the carry.
Eh? I'm going to try hook right in so like this. I will make it. Oh.
One more like this.
Yeah.
Alright, that is the environment, you know. Couple environment, you see.
Yeah.
This is for just the couple.
It's a bubble up right there, so, you know. Bubble bath. Right, have a little hole right there.
I'm going to do something that you see.
Yeah. Alright. So it operates some different type of way. The guys, so you see, it's a bubble, so the whole of this is the baffling.
Kick bar on here.
Kick bar? Oh, they make around here. Okay, so this is the baby bath. This is where baby was made.
Yeah.
You know? Couple come here and make baby right here. Look at this man in nature. You know, the vibe. Just come and sit back and relax here, you know. So, you know, Barry will come and make you appreciate things more and more same way. Because, you know, when it's gone, we cannot give up. And the more work we put in the show so that we really cares. You know? So it's all care with care right now, how you see all this. Yeah? So Boom, I'm going to show you something right now. Okay. Okay, I see what go on. So right there's like a slide like.
Yeah.
Yes, Puma, yes. So that's what makes sense. You know? Nice good meditation right here, so, you know? Beauty.
Yeah. And it's like this water right out.
Yeah.
Right out like a flow hard.
Yeah, yeah. Real hard right now. Can it look like the water flow like it's gonna come back down again? The water flow like it's gonna come back down again.
Well, you can't see the foot more rain. Only for that more rain.
Yeah. Yeah, the water back so. River flow down to This is why people want to come back to Jamaica. You know? This is why. Because guys right now, I tell you, say, I never come prepared. And to what I see, just want to get inside, you know? Yeah. You know, just to make me want to get inside and feel the vibe, you know, but I never travel with no change of clothes, so I don't like travel wet, you know. And plus like I have a guest coming by as well too, so you know, I never come prepared, but yes. So this is the look. This is the look. Yeah man. Beautiful man, beautiful. Beautiful. So they can't see them thing and enough of them are watermark. You know? And the fall over there coming on really heavy over there as well too. Beautiful. So you see up here is really you have a different vibe without the bag. You know? It have more like a flowing vibe without the bag, without the pool. And normally, you know, all of here are full of water with the pool. But now you can see the flush, the heavy tide that's coming down. And Boomer enjoy himself up there. So Boomer is really showing that what you guys missing when you're not in Jamaica. So you're missing all of this. All of this when you're not in Jamaica, this is what you're missing. You know? The nice sunshine as well. As I say, the sun is out. You know? Sun is out. Oh, I'm not lie. Boomer make me want to go in the water right now, guys. I'm not lie. I'm the first people see water and jealous. Anybody can jealous of water? Me. Like, see me like this and I go inside the water right now. But you know, I have a guest who I'm going to see, so, and I'm far away from home. You know, and I'm well wet, so to wet up and to go home and to come back is too much. Way too much, boy. Yes, Boomer. Beauty. The energy, you know?
Yeah, man.
The energy, man, I lie. Really like the energy. It's a good vibes.
Uncle.
You know, I say it's only can get better.
Yeah, man.
You know, with the vibes. So people live up at them above them place, yeah? Yeah. You can walk up there?
Eh?
Can walk go there?
Yeah, man, I can take a tour about them, man.
Go make a tour now. Take a tour so I go on. Make a tour.
Lock the shop. Ay, kumakayan na nagpunod. Hindi na ba ay?
Well, so Buma, you know more and do as well too. More and do more and give you have to get back some bags though.
Yeah, definitely.
You have to get back some bags to make up at the pool and then put in
I
there.
want a pool there too, so I really need. I don't even want a bag, I need some bag. Need some bag back for real.
So normally you have to buy them.
Yeah, the hardware.
At the hardware.
The hardware, yeah.
So what I do, I give you $2,000, you know, can contribute to get some bags, you know.
And it's a love from Kino
Yeah, man.
to here. And give thanks. Because to get the bag them is a difficult. Difficult.
Yes.
And this is Jamaica where free, when you all use the word free, forget a certain thing. It no work.
No work.
You see, we're using this now. Like, oh, alright, when Kino give me this now, I'm going to go to the hardware tomorrow. I'm saying, give me some crocus bag.
Yes.
If but I maybe no, I forget them.
Yes.
But if I go and say, yo, bridge it, to one of them bridge randomly. When I want to save some bag for me, next year I'm not get them.
Yes.
So
yeah, because you know this is an enjoyment for the community, and a lot of people come here and we ourselves. You know, we like the idea of the pools here, you know, everybody can come and jump off. So you know the joy, you know, to maintain something like this where you not charge anybody for come here. It's a free for us, everything is from you. So if me can contribute and help out with some bag.
So people like you know, when you come here so to do something, you know, my art, everything are for free. So you like a free spirit.
Yes, man. Very
some people too uptight.
Yeah.
True what? No difference in night, man.
No, man.
No difference in living.
All we are the same, you know.
Just live, man.
All we are the same.
Yeah, not just live the same.
Yes. Let me see them place here. We want to see what it kind of look like.
What look like?
Yeah. Because we always come on there right here. You know. Because we know there's people that live above. You know.
The river.
Above the river that the way always come. So look what. You can see the water run every year, you know. Leave pure stones.
Yeah.
Is that shop this?
Yeah. No, I think I come here on a Sunday.
No. Oh, on a Sunday. Wow. So up here is like we call it Mommy community.
Yes, man.
So this is the Mommy community. Blessings for you. Rasta man.
Yes, man.
Vibration, you know.
Yes,
They are pass through, you know, feel the vibration. You know.
Yeah, man, I'm planting few banana there.
Yeah. So you farm up. And one thing where anybody will always live where nature is.
I could put in something.
And them always have a fresh look.
Yeah.
Them face always look fresh.
I held that man.
I elder.
Yeah.
I always live right where the nature is, the river and the food. You know? So right now you can't tell him age. That age don't show up on him. You know, and you say elder. Only way you can know is an elder is the ear. The color ear. Yeah. But otherwise, you couldn't tell someone hell that, you know. You know, live it up, man, you know.
Great, man.
So, what's it like living around here, man?
Greatness, you know.
Yeah, man.
Greatness, man.
Yeah, man.
Greatness. So it seems like many people come live here and get piece of this great nature.
Yeah, man.
You know, the great vibe.
Stamp, the woman passed one day, she couldn't touch him.
Yes.
Nature full around him.
Yes, and not even one tree, no. Not talk about far long, but it still stand firm, see me.
It would have saved the thing more time people, some people glad for. Alright, see tree them, I'm telling you how you move tree in a storm time, people. Some tree are easy for broke like a guango tree, and them tree they kind of move from around your house. You know, just glad for move all a mango tree, so mango tree not easy for broke.
Yes.
It's going to save your house. And I tell you that.
Okay. Aki tree. Oh.
Then there's so much around the shop too. You
Yeah.
don't move nothing, you know.
Nothing no move.
Nothing, you know.
I said nothing no blow down at all, not even the smallest tree. Not even the smallest tree don't even move.
Small street.
You know, big town. So even though you know some place face it like down in St. Elizabeth.
Because I got too much tree, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man, not plan but none.
Oh,
So when the wind come for work now, you know.
place
Nothing
empty.
there to stop it.
Not now
It's the
time.
work. Alright, house you put in front. And you cut down them tree here now, and you left your house. When it come, and your house, I go stop it. You can't stop it.
Can't stop
The
it.
tree, them a root, you know. Them a all in all line, you know. Them a
Yeah.
tree, you know.
Yeah.
So for them root there, we have one part on one place down there, you know.
Yeah,
So them
yeah.
they easy move so. And them have fibers too. Look at them fibers. See some young fibers there.
Yeah,
You don't call all them fibers there young. Come to the main route we go
We
down.
go all the way down.
Remember, man. Yes, man.
True, man.
Yeah, man, so the earth alive.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blessings, my general. More love, man. Yeah. More strength. Yeah, man. It's a place. Feel, man. The energy. The place does feel right. Feel nice. You know. Out that light, the river down there, and people living above and beyond.
Click back the river and show them.
Yeah.
Show them to the above. Two shop there. Kitchen and
Above and beyond with it right now, you know. Beauty. Wow. Why am I saying? I feel like I was living in the wilderness in my past life. Because the way I love the wilderness, I think in my past life I was living this type of life already. You know? Not knowing. But I think I was living this past life and I'm back here to fulfill some purpose that I never finished to fulfill. You know? And they are passed through the nature of life. Blessings, my general. More love, more love. Manners, my general. Manners. Cool now, man. Cool now, man. Say nothing but love. Up the hill. So up here you can feel the sun touches, you know, get higher. Look on the house there, all the way up on the top. A Jaxie lad. Oh, so up here so a Jaxie we're looking at. Okay, that's why you see the difference with the house them. Pure big house here. Yeah, the Mali them. Okay. Oh, on Dub Club side. Okay, so we're looking at the Dub Club side, yes. So look how close it look. But if we go drive, we go all the way around. Yeah.
25 minutes, half an hour.
Nobody's being touched around them side there. No one. Yes, I. So, yeah.
Irish Town Road.
Oh, Irish Town Road up there, so.
The main road I have carry a shoulder now. It carry up on the soldier camp. I hit me that tell about yesterday.
Okay.
To cover my farm.
Oh.
Have a van. No, you give me for it, right?
I get that money, man. Brother,
Abba.
I'm foreign, man. I get that money, man.
Big up, yeah?
Come in, brother.
Yeah. Right, the view up here is getting even better and better.
Yeah, carry them.
Yeah. Oh, the main road there.
Charles, follow Charles.
Ah.
He's a young genius that, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix bicycle.
No, everything is fixed.
Everything.
Everything is fixed.
Bike, bicycle, car.
Yeah.
You name it.
And we build too, you know.
Yeah?
Don't want to build it.
You build what, the bicycle?
No, man, all house.
Oh, a house too. Oh, talented.
And young, you know.
Yeah, I can see it.
Young, you know.
Very. So right now I'm gonna fix up a bicycle and thing. Your name Chad?
Charles.
Alright, Chad. Don't give up, you know, something will come true, you know? See, some of the bicycle you fix.
Bicycle.
Oh, you're one. And that, oh. So you don't fix up about a dozen bicycle.
Bicycle.
5. I forgot about a bicycle team then.
No,
Yeah, man. Alright then, Chad, big up here. Yeah, man. Talented youth, you know?
You're a genius, man. Respect him, man. Respect him, man. Young genius, man. Yeah, man. I never buy a tool in my life. I'm not the trade work. I see the youth buy.
Just look at the view, guys. Just look at the view. Just look at the view. Just look at the house of the... Okay.
This is the road.
So, you know, said...
One of my boss who run on up the side of the road.
Yeah. So,
She had the governor for up the side. She make up the side look so nice.
hello.
Up the side never so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, she.
But I want to tell you, say, me always drive fast. You say, when I went into Maryland,
Yes,
to the football field.
Yeah.
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 So we always drive
Never
fast.
so pretty though.
No.
That's never so pretty.
But remember that turn are going up. Hello.
Yeah, man.
My name is Kino.
Hi.
Nice meeting you. Your name is?
YouTuber virgin. Blackie B.
What's your name?
Blackie.
Blackie.
I'm YouTuber virgin. Don't please.
So you can check out Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
She look on him something there.
Yeah. Says Kino Life in Jamaica. So you can.
Life.
So you can.
Life.
Yeah. So you can go subscribe now and you see what I go on.
Yeah, man.
You know, and give nice clean self a shout out. So you want to tell them.
Hi.
So tell them when them drive past Maryland Road. We're going to Maryland.
Yeah, we're going up Maryland. This right here is Blackie One Stop Corner and the main.
And the main.
When you're going to let me tell them. Halliwell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Irish Town.
When I going to Irish, this is Irish Town Road. Irish Town Road. When I going to Halliwell,
Yeah.
the Ikin.
Okay.
This is where I drive, and this is Blackie One Stop above the river.
Above the river.
Yeah, above the river. So it is above. So the road above where you drive, the shorter turn,
Yeah.
is the one above it.
So we show them the shop.
Yeah.
So see the Blackie corner shop. You know, so it's Blackie One Stop Shop. So see there when you're driving past is the yellow and green. And guys, me always drive past this direction, go playing football up by Maryland. This is where we drive. You know, this is where we drive.
Watch it tomorrow.
This is exactly where we drive. I imagine it. So now we know you can stop here and walk all the way down to go down to Miami River from here. You know, and you can stop and have a drink at Blackie Corner Shop. You know, give her a support, right, Blackie?
Okay.
Yeah, that is it. You know, Blackie have a bright smile, love.
Yeah, man. I see you on the corner, man.
See that?
Back on, boss.
Yeah, man, Blackie have all different.
Alright. All of them stuff that are cool, all them things, they're well cool.
Alright.
But thing,
Yeah, well cool.
our peanut punch they have to, you know. Our peanut punch Blackie have to, you know, tell you Blackie. Say what thing, if they want that thing well cool.
Down the back. You see Tyrone? Yeah.
See that, General.
Man, I did that before.
If you get change?
No.
Alright, big up. Well cool. Peanut punch and thing on the base.
Yeah.
Yes, man, Blackie. Much love and give thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I feel our boy the genius, you know.
Oh?
One bigger one to a tough to him.
Artist genius?
No, not artist genius. I'm the work performance, I young.
Okay.
So we give them the genius for it, you know.
Oh. Afternoon, uncle. How is everything? What is it, 1950?
Far, you know.
Eh?
Good so far.
Good so far. What is another 1950 this? Or is it 1950?
No, man, that's our lord, not our old.
This is a 2000 bike. This is a 2000.
10,
Oh, 2010.
150.
Yes.
Yes, Dad.
The 150.
Yes.
I look good like him too.
Mm.
You keep it good like you too.
Yeah, man.
If you have a thing, you know, you have to keep it good, you know.
Yes, I.
See, I can give you something, you know.
A stunt. Bad pan the stunt too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
me watch him all the way.
Yeah, man. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? Yeah, man.
Give us something there, Nara.
Yeah, give him some on camera.
Give us something there.
One wheel in can put it and go straight over Irish Town, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See there? Yeah. Oh. Oh. And the bicycle is where you just fixed, right? Oh. So it feel ready for the road?
Ready for the road.
The man just come up and just bust two wheels and say yes, ready.
Man, I play thing for you, man. Not even all of my boy deals, we never saw rough.
No.
I tell you on bicycle, I'm going to ride bicycle, but the stun is fast.
No.
None at all.
Yeah. Me nah
The money I
visit.
walk it for more than half an hour for 1 week.
No front wheel.
No front wheel. See there?
I down the road.
I always watch him by the sea. Wicked man.
You say, God, man, God, man.
You know me here, I say it already.
No, you know say something to say that I can right now.
Man, lift it gone. And wheeling, I want to easy something for to go downhill, you know.
Okay.
You know?
No, I can't eat it down here.
Eh?
You know, eat it down here.
No, uphill you can't worry about downhill.
More than 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Nice, man, nice. So all these ways where we head to when we're going to play football, you know, up in Maryland. I always drive past right here. Always drive past right here. I never know that you could take this direction to go down Miami River, and up there we're looking at is Jack's Hill. You know? Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. See it there? Aye. Right round there. Right round there.
My brother, when you used to mash up in a stunt, I find the boy go and pull and do them thing the wicked out. But Chad learned this a yard. Him go find him. The
Bad.
body will think they can ride.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Mangoes.
Up here to the catching peak there, you know.
Catching peak water. Yeah. Imagine that. So now I'm at the shop. So when time I drive past, I say, Blackie!
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Because we have match next week up there. 6:30 match we have. So next week when I pass, I say, Blackie! Yeah.
Call me key now when I go there. I'm come from watch yourself.
Yeah. How we are play? Get us stars. I'm going to check out.
Yeah.
Go check. I'm going to check back on. I'm going to check back on we are play.
Yo, call me now, key.
Yeah, man. Cool, man.
Me I look for your call me now.
Alright.
River me I got the boat. Call me said wait.
Yeah.
Call the time. What time match you now?
We have a last match.
That great. That great. Let's call me, brother.
I'm not our 6:30 match, so.
You can pick me up yourself.
Alright, then, bro.
Alright.
Cool, man. We are test I want to know.
Fix me all this right now.
Yeah, you talented, man.
Yes, man.
Riding and fixing and building house as well, too.
You know, waste time, man.
Yes.
Yeah. That's how you tell like I could do days, you know. Respect people, respect themselves. You know?
Yes, I.
And some live still, you know.
Respect yourself.
No age and a number for age.
Once you respect yourself and have respect.
And that me love you for, you know.
Yes.
Because you can't love you and you don't love yourself. You never add up. Because we never show love you, I think I hate me.
Yes.
I joke with it.
And you have to love yourself and understand someone else, you know. Have to understand yourself.
And that is the meaning of it. Yeah. You don't have to can overstand the next one. That is what you have to do now.
Yeah. Have to know thyself first. You know?
Even if you haven't gone towards that thing, but live it for yourself.
Yes.
Nothing more than that to the right thing.
Righteous.
The community can talk to me. That's like it. I really don't need to run the way. I want to stay to the
No.
around the way.
Yes.
That's the best you can take the way.
Yes. I accept until you're wrong and move on.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah, because exactly. Yeah.
Accept and move on. It not kill you.
But your voice, the way you tell me, say, you must be right, I didn't even right.
Yeah.
I'm going to analyze it and say, yo,
I true. Sorry for dealing with this.
You never see it,
Yeah.
but you see it and you feel it.
Yes.
See,
So when you come to me now and say, yo, I never like how you talk to me, you know, then we understand. More than you go one away and start
and spread it like it's a news.
Yes.
Oh, we have to understand each other.
Can't overstand each other. Cannot.
There's a basic measurement.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, yo, guys,
Yo,
the creator
that's
great,
facts, man.
the creator great, you know, because when me and growing up, me used to push and dog, fight, you know.
Fight, yeah.
They like each other.
Yeah.
Look how we reach now, and I see a puss asleep on top of a dog.
Yeah, and them are living in the same house.
No, humanity, when me are growing up, me are telling you, me are 37, you know, so acknowledge, like when me are 5-year-old and they say so. You know, say 32-year-old.
Yeah.
That knowledge how me gain now. Me did know, say, yo, puss and dog will fight. The dog chase the puss. Puss are comfortable. But me see, you reach a stage where the puss asleep on top of the dog.
Yeah, yeah. And I see that.
Show, man.
Yeah. And
it show me, you know. It's like it's a match then, like it's a match to do, you know. So now you come to a solution to the answer now where you say, yo, I love the ultimate, you know.
Yes.
Cause if you reach a stage you know where you used to chase me and now we can be together now, then I love the answer.
I love the answer, man. I love the answer.
Yes.
Because all over social media, you know.
Seriously, for nothing.
There's a pussy and dog a ramp all the time.
Yeah.
You know?
So how it reach a stage here now, that is how where it's reaching my concept now. So how it reach this stage now where they might play together. I love the ultimate.
Yes.
No,
we're at love and love alone. Yes, guys, so you see we're back here where it started from. You know, and we give thanks, Boomer. You know, thanks for the tour of your community, you know.
God.
Really like it.
At the end of the day, you know, this, enough time people do this thing, you know, we just like say, yo, you know, more people like up a place and like, no, the reason me to even carry people right in the back of me now, which is the river, you know. That's who Kino have a lot of energy.
Yes.
Kino now carry no 1 year for envy, Rasta.
No.
It's also a lot of energy, so I'm free with Kino.
Yes,
I'm home can carry Kino.
Yes,
I show him too.
Yes, sir.
With a live camera. Because we don't keep no secret.
No.
I will live the right.
Yes.
So we don't keep no secret, so there and then now Kino, we can anywhere where I say all the farm. And I think Kino come my farm.
Of course.
And Kino.
Definitely.
You don't want me to show them to all the farm product when we get on the farm?
Of course. So, you know, and them just literally come from the farm as well, too, you know. So, you know, so they bring some farm product, you know, and the man bring the bag for them back how far the man come from, you know. And the man still same way, you know, come back here and then go put in some more work, same way, you know. So, you say hard work and dedicate, you know, to what he's doing. And hats off to man like them, they were always dedicated to what they're doing, same way. And then, as you tell us, it's not for the money, I'm still have to give some of the people them. It's nothing but love, man, and love alone, man, you know. See there, one big bag on his shoulder. One big bag on his shoulder.
Banana and thing down my base, you know.
Boy, pineapple, banana. Them banana they thick.
Because them full, them want ripe. Ripe banana them here.
Oh.
So I have write them. I carry them here so now, so I write them now. Good people, I love now, I share a hand with them. Instead of you go to and go spend money for people, just give a hand.
I give a hand.
We just give a hand with love, because you come and rest a place with love. And everybody may give a hand, you know.
No.
Love everyone, you know, but you don't need to break inside of you so you can share love. I don't see through you, now I search for you. So, but one of them I find now, like, you know, you take out anything now and him try to hand, what he want, and you free love.
Yes, sir.
And that I live for.
Yes, man.
I search no one.
Love and love alone,
yes,
man.
my brother.
Find them looking good as well, you know.
I say, you know, where you want, you take him. So, whatsoever leave now, now we just carry everything on my mom and home.
Yeah.
Mom and home. I would go this a while. You never see much about your video.
Yeah. But me I walk past.
Yes, man. That's how I do. Yeah, nice, man.
See there. I give thanks. See there. Well sweet sugar. I give thanks. More love and more
strength. Love, man. Clean up,
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. With a love energy actually, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So you know we're gonna keep in touch, brother. You know. We keep in touch, guys. I'm gonna head back. down in Trenchtown now, you know, because you know, we have a guest coming in, you know, another pint to go in later on. Just splice and dice and enjoy the niceness and the sweetness, you know, of what the drum provide. You know, Boomer himself, and the love in this, and the love with this, you know. This is it.
Hi Daddy, bye, how are you? Fine. And thanks for the money.
Take care, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
And big up my friend then when they go home and tell him they see me.
Alright then. Alright guys, you know. She called me daddy. Put her trouble. So she's like a maroon. She has a maroon complexion and everything I hear. You know, everything. It's like the maroon, definitely for sure. Yes guys, so it's time to hit the road. You know it goes already. Give thanks to the pine, Boomer. Every time.
I'm gonna make it a quick stop because he got to go to work.
Okay.
So I got something to give you.
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
She's in a rush. I'll take some more of this. Wow. Well, the weather is hot.
Oh shit, it's hot.
Donuts.
Where you at? The names are on them. This is for little. The green slippers are for little.
Okay.
This, I don't know. You can give. I don't know. It has no name on it.
Okay.
And there's a pants underneath. I don't know. You can give that to.
All right then. Tom bread.
How you doing? How you doing?
Meet Miss Susie.
Tell y'all son at the airport Sunday.
Colors? No.
Yeah, I told him tell Keenan I'm here because I just landed the 7th.
Oh.
At the airport Sunday night.
Tell Keenan. Probably around there, them jacuzzi. Yeah. Cause it's not his time yet to go airport.
Goes at night.
No, probably about 4 o'clock them times when you leave out. You know, it's not his time yet. Okay,
Mark, you ain't ready yet, right? You ain't ready, right?
When I'm ready, you can't stay. So like I'm ready now. Go there, man. Go there.
I'll show her someone again.
Alright.
I'll be back in 2, Mark. In 2.
2 hours.
There you go.
In 2 hours. Weather must stay exactly like this, boy.
Cross the business. You don't have to. When I get a confirmation.
Youth. Go on. All is well. Baby, can borrow this? Eh? Can borrow this, baby? Baby, so we have a guest here to see you. Yes, this is Susie. Susie. Check out, baby. Oh, Sam's there.
Sam's in there, man? Call him.
Sam's!
Jella asleep.
Look her hustling down.
You ain't cooking no lobster, right?
Not cook lobster. Ackee and red rain. Ackee and saltfish. Callaloo and saltfish.
You selling it?
Yeah.
Let me have the ackee and codfish.
Ackee and catfish. And she sells juice as well too.
Shelly, before I go with you want ackee and the saltfish. What do you want? Ackee and saltfish or ackee and red rain? The 2 of them done?
I don't eat red meat.
You look for yourself. You're looking for yourself, man.
Hey, boo boo, how you doing? Can I get a hug? How you doing? Yeah, you too.
Oh, yeah, girl.
Hey, Shelly.
Kiosha.
Let's get it for place and make she
My
get
little,
some of
little Kiosha.
Angie's got the granddaughter, right?
Yeah, no, that's baby niece.
Kiosha.
What's Angie's baby's name?
Kayla and Layla.
Oh, Layla. Kiosha and Layla. Hi, mommy.
Just get right from you and green plant.
Yo, no. You have bananas planted?
No, plant me a planting, me a green and ripe one.
I'll take a ripe one.
Ripe planting.
See you load, and what kind of juice you have around here?
Yes, orange drink?
No.
Peacekeepers. Dread!
Rain and fall. Eh? Don't pay my Roma!
Anything.
Look in our freezer and see no anything. Give them one.
Rasta! So clear.
And rain and fall.
No, man, I close that pass, man. Alright, then take care, right?
Alright.
So, Jackson.
Take care.
Prefect, yeah. Prefect.
Okay.
Yeah, run out of break, come for yours as well. Take care, too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm coming, Mark. I'm coming.
Resort, baby.
What's his name? Run out of breath?
Yeah.
Visitor?
Yeah, this is
Run out of
Susie.
breath. Come take another one for me, please.
Colors there. Colors!
Hi, mommy.
Nah, you're so good enough. Colors!
I know there's something's wrong.
Yeah, with him here. Colors!
I heard you, bro. I heard you. I'm coming down the line here now.
Colors ears is not really so 100, you know?
Yeah.
What do you want back?
Yeah.
Come on, Kina.
Just waking up, you know.
Yeah.
Giant color. Come in at it.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Because a lot of bees is following me from
Up there.
so you know I didn't want no bees to attack anyone here.
Don't worry.
So what's popping? And what's the topics?
Don't listen. Don't worry. We have bees protector. No, him say there's a lot of bees. Colors, you ever tell me say CR?
I saw you at the airport Sunday. I told you to get Kina, I'm here.
Oh my gosh. So many things on you get what I'm saying? I just remember, I didn't remember a thing.
You're fired.
You're fired.
Far, she picked me up from.
Call the color.
There you go, the color got me.
Yeah, she picked
And
me
I'm
up.
like, color, and he's like,
Yeah, and I was like this, I was saying, damn.
Yeah.
Like someone out there calling to me and woman, look, it's hard. Be people are look.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Colors was saying that he never want to come close because there's a lot of bees are following him.
why are you wearing these colors then if the bees are following you? You need to switch it up,
What she
change
just
them.
said?
Just say why you wearing the color the bees are following you.
Bees are following you, change your colors, go
Man, I
solid.
was just joking.
Oh.
He's always following me. I was just joking.
It's just the way of Colors saying.
Oh, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Again.
Again.
I didn't remember a thing, bro.
Shall I rush now?
I gotta rush.
Alright then, so take
Okay,
care, yeah?
take care.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you come.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
We say running on the road.
I say, oh, look up police, boy. I usually take some pan over, so like, boy, I want to run in back pan. Run me up, run them already, you know. Call one girl who watch me on your program and talk to me, and the man come and I say, yo, you need to back up, bro.
Of course.
You need to back up.
You need to back up.
Yeah, this lady's talking to me, bro. She knew me very well.
Yeah.
So it's like when him gone now, you hear the girl of Colors, you know, so me just a wait for swim did I go do.
Yeah.
You know, so the man sent a next police for me yesterday. One new cop. Yeah. The cop take me down last night.
Him do
No, he didn't like hold on at me. He just say one
to talk.
down there. I have me sit down the station around 45 minutes. So my two red cap friend them, they were security before they get the red cap. They heard about what took place. And immediately they came down there.
Of course.
And when me sit down like they say, Colors, the man make me know say everything. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then two of my next real officer brethren, they talk to the brethren is a sergeant, so he didn't really know anything about Colors.
Okay.
So when everybody come down, Colors,
What? Yes.
Man come down the field, bail me last night.
What?
I tell Indian, some of us say no, I ain't get no charge, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
The colors thing up, you know.
Up.
Yeah, I mean, they would have there for bail, you.
No, for real,
And if
man.
them go back him, them back him too.
Honestly, no, Kina. You see, when the officer who took me down there, when he get back down there and he was saying, colors, you're good to go, you know, bro.
Yeah.
So when me go to now and go outside, me I said, damn, look at that. So many people came out while they have me down there sitting.
Imagine that.
Yeah, so, you know, I miss a lot of change.
See a big like Vibes Cartel, man.
Oh my gosh. So what did you want now? When me did it, I say a man and a woman like them a baffle.
Yeah.
Cause like them I say, I wonder if they didn't sure.
If I you.
Yes, so like somebody go say color and like they say, you sue me at.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I tell them what took place, bro. But they said they didn't change nothing to it. I tell them say that's cool, bro.
So that means a Vibes Cartel have nothing on you, man. Vibes Cartel ain't got nothing on you.
Yeah.
Cause them for free, yo. Them a free cartel, yes.
The man tell us the car, the sad car. He was say he never really know about say colors things are up.
Oh.
So like then go tell him now say yo.
Yeah.
Time the man at the airport I be people come have a flight I take
Of
picture.
course.
And I say color and you get what I'm saying?
Of course.
And must tell them about you too and you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they and like him I say go and cool up down there.
Yeah.
So when I did it, everybody cause they sell like snacks down there, you know. So watch it okay, you know. Five somebody come down and come buy stuff. Even no colors. What is going on?
Yes,
what
yes.
you doing down here? So he's saying just a little officer, he didn't know nothing about colors.
Yes,
No,
yes.
he don't say whatever. So then me say a Juta man come down and say colors. I come to bail you. I say you come to what? I didn't get no charge, bro. Yeah, so I see him come and I say colors. You good? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So honestly, you know, him never really I give me no bad vibes. The officer. You get me? Because even when I come, I say, officer, watch it. See some people here who watch me and you get me? Yeah.
Okay.
Then my police bridge will make him know say watch it. You get me?
Yes,
But the little ugly one, the man where he usually takes it and the man.
No, him know what I go on. Say him know say him not have to text him.
Alright, but the little bro long time one they have to run him overnight, bro. The man you know, the 2 more times I say I don't want to go overdo the thing make them pressure me.
Yeah.
You would have tell him all some wicked thing, you know, bro.
But now you're good enough word, them not gonna do no overdo nothing,
You know what I'm
no.
saying? So from when you're here?
Not long ago.
Oh, okay.
Not long ago. So you're heading over now.
Yeah, cause true, me never get for raise nothing last night.
So you're gonna raise something.
My 2 worker friend, they give me thousand a line. So
Okay.
that's why you have to give.
For receive. Yeah.
Yeah, so just big up extended
Alright, then,
family
big up,
every
man.
time. Big up you and everybody. You get me?
Alright then, big up yourself.
So overroad, isn't
Alright
it?
then, cool.
Alright.
Alright then, so Natisha is here, Jax is here, Boom is here. We have pies, I'll put the cutting of them head.
That is it.
We have the whole living area, we have Prefect. Alright, so we have a donation as well too. Plus we have gifts for the members them as well too. Some of them. So Hero, I got 50 US here for you. Yeah, from Susie. From Demonton. She was here earlier. You know, she's a guest, you know, and she said you can put this towards your project as well. To, you know, we tell her, say everyone's gonna get their project, so that's 50 for you from Susie.
God bless and keep and guide and continue to bless you, yeah? Straight.
Susie from Demonton. Jackson. Hey, Jackson start already. Wanna go viral again?
That's where you're going.
So Jackson. So we have 50 US here for you towards your project as well too from Susie from Demonton.
Love respect every
Can't hear, she not hear, you know.
Yeah, Susie, love respect every time. Yeah, give thanks and praise every time. That's the father I got love respect every time. Love every time, thanks every time.
Alright. So we have gifts here that she brought here. And we have Prefect here from Susie from Denham Town.
Susie from Demonton. Enough love, enough thanks. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yes. Alright. Whoa, and we have Come in, Dynamite. Boom. We have boom. Boom up the players.
Yeah.
From Susie, from Demontown.
Susie from Demontown. One love, you know, thanks and blessed, you know. Thanks for his shots and dances. Blessed, one love.
Where's the river? The river flex. The river flex.
River.
Alright, there's a tall pino there. You know, and this. Okay. So, Mother Teresa, we also have this for you as well from Susie from Demontown, you know, and she also give 50 US as well for you from Susie from Demontown.
Thank you, Susie from Demontown. God bless you and keep you.
Yes.
One
Alright then, so we give thanks to Susie from Demontown.
From business place, right, isn't it?
I'm good, man.
Where you go? Where you go?
One day, a piece of tail boy, man.
Just Natish, this cannot fit you.
You know, you know. I don't know.
You don't know. I think it will fit you, you know. You know.
Anything you see, you know.
I remember these days we have Taylor.
Yeah, I will make it work.
Yeah, so Susie.
From the Demontown, big up yourself and bless you. And the good Lord keep on guide and protect you.
Every time.
No basket, never enjoy.
Yes.
Big up all the extended family then.
Alright, yeah. So we give thanks to Susie from Demontown. So I want them Jella wear big pants. No, this can't fit Jella. My pants are too big for Jella. Jella! Are the pants that can't fit you?
We can't make it work. I used to have Taylor.
A Jella, oh gosh man, a Jella size this. Jella! Pants are your size this.
We can't make it work.
Yeah, we're not tight.
Taylor.
Lord,
Come fit it on him then.
tell her, like, come here, we go take it, watch ya. I hope you see me get from.
I think this will fit Tompa. Tompa over there?
Yeah.
This will fit Tompa. This will fit Tompa, I guess. So, I will see you. So this is unused. So these are I can see fit. And Jelena wear them look a decent thing here at all. Jelena wear 90. And the pants we go bed. Blouse. Oh, Stacy. If I see chips. Yeah, chips and chips. She's the right person. Chips and chips. And this is for father for the year. And Talpi. Talpi is not here yet. Alright, so I'm gonna get Tompa this. I'm gonna get Tompa this. Cookie! What you say? No, you know. Thumper!
Yes, sir.
Yes, I first me come in at home.
Yes, sir.
Thumper, one of this can fit you.
Yes. 30, 40.
Check it and see.
This can't fit. This can't fit. Here it can't fit.
Can't fit you?
If you want that pant to fit me, put it around the neck.
Put it around your neck?
Yeah.
Oh, eh?
45.
So this too small?
This too small.
Pow! Then so like...
Pow, no. Pow about 30, 36 or 37.
The people Pow then? Alright then, so Pow, I wanna come. Run, I mean Pow. Pow, myself this can fit you. Is that your size this?
I took them in my side. I see big way smell like father and things. Yeah. Sweet as well.
Can fit you?
Majesty,
Alright, so thanks also.
thanks Rastafari.
Thanks Susie. She named Susie, so thank you.
I thank Susie and many Thanksgiving.
Alright. See then. Alright then, Popo. You tell him to get the something?
Yeah, more than they see, like a king, they see.
Alright. Talpi, as you touch down, you touch down.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that.
Oh, that's a genius.
As you touch down, it touch down.
So everything like blue.
Blue.
Oh, blue,
And that true blue. And type your name and it say Talpi.
Talpi. Wow, look at that.
You know.
Look at that.
And this is coming from Susie.
Susie.
Yeah, from Demon Town.
Susie from Demon Town. Holy for love, you know. Holy for respect. Yeah, man. Give thanks, you know. Right, that, you know. The type of welcome, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So respect, you see.
But when you put on that in a work, you work out, you're out.
Out, man. Yeah,
that's a word. Alright, so we give thanks to Susie from Demon Town.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, yeah.
Not once, but twice. Yeah.
Worship place.
Yes, I wait on worship a touchdown so him can get fame one. Just come out for the work. Come and check earlier. Say could fit. Yes. Hello, Ben. Hello, Shanette. High five. So vamps, but they are passed through. Yeah. So we have a package here. We have slippers here for you with the name and it says Father for the Year. You know, that is for you from Susie from Demon Town. You know, bless you with that slippers.
Bless up Susie from Demon Town. Give thanks. God made up a gospel, but I carry in my mind.
Yes. Yeah.
Love the petition. Take care of yourself and bless it.
So this now is for one of your daughters. I don't know which one it can fit, you know. But I guess it will fit one of them, right? So here, give it a bag. Yeah, Susie from Demon Town.
Respect. I know you're my neighbor, say you have a good heart.
Yeah. Alright then, so I make a donation here for Shanette as well. Shanette.
Hello.
Shanette, I have a donation here for you. I got $3,000 here for you from Dawn from Maryland. Dawn from. So tell her thank you.
Thank you. That's really nice because you're willing to waste all their hard work on us. That can
See your father. The $3,000 from Dawn from Maryland.
Dawn from Maryland.
Maryland?
Quite a good feeling still.
Yeah. Yes.
Even quite overwhelmed right now.
Yeah. Yeah, Maryland. Alright then.
Love you, yeah.
Alright, love you. Take care. Alright then, Shanette, bye. Alright then, bye. It was cooking.
It's just so
So can I keep coming for dinner then on the tablet, right?
It's
Alright then, fams. Yeah, man, there you go. Yeah, man, so we give thanks for the donation from Dawn from Maryland and also Susie from Demon Town, you know, for blessing them with that gift. You know, thank you so much. So guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you're watching from. Remember, always to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Queen Life in Jamaica. I said love to all.
Yeah, I come back time. Yeah, man, genius, man, look at the steel, man. So,
just a come off of the work.
Yeah, I'm just a mash up a little thing in a car, you know. She do a little thing and what he shall need in up the two, you know.
Yeah.
So you say, yeah, I come punch in one day, you know. I know 1 day gone, 2 days.
2 days.
1 day gone, 2 days. You see, 1 day gone, 2 days. Somebody say, alright, I don't know nothing.
Nah, nothing.
Yeah, me just go and punch in and get my special and go and build my weed and go and mix, you know. Yeah, man.
Concrete.
And then 2 or 3 days I bring the concrete and I just go and mix.
Yeah.
All day I mix out, you know.
Okay, you know, if you see that color, yeah, you know are you.
Blue. Chelsea blue, you know, Italian.
Yes.
Yeah,
so right now, me have something here for you from Susie from Town.
Susie from Town. Susie from Look at them and I Big them man.
What? Both of them?
Both of them. New York, you know.
New York.
Much building them man,
At once, twice. First a warm time now.
Yeah, my son, them have just made and put on my New York Yanzi, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
One blue, one white.
Man, you see me I say, because you see it twice, you know. So I'm look on the next one now, you know.
Second.
Yes! Twin, you know, one a white and one a blue. Yeah, man. Don't have look at white shorts already when I wear it.
Aye.
You know?
Aye.
You see me I say?
Aye.
Yeah, man. I will just get the white sneakers now, you know.
Yeah.
White socks.
Aye.
That one here. You see me I say?
Roll out. And the ice a drip.
I tell them, man, Susie from them and town. All if I love, enough blessing, you know. 2 them, you see me I say?
Not once.
Yeah, man.
You say New York you have one already too.
Same thing again. Why I don't know. Can't stop wearing New York Yanzi them, you know. You see?
One day.
Straight New York twice.
Not once.
So Susie, big up yourself, you know. All if I blessing and enough love, you know.
Alright then.
Aye. New York, I love it, you know. You know, big up my Susie, man, enough blessing, all heap of love, man, you know.
Alright then,
thank
bless
you very much. Yeah, man, because I want to beat Sunday, you know. White shot.
Next one on Monday.
That's the belly can't talk him up. I want the set down, you know. Look at the set down on the belly, right?
Yeah. Can't see it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Susie, man, all about blessing, you know.
Alright, then, bless
love them, you know.
Yes. Natisha, for go wash them.
Natisha, boy, I don't know why, you know, every time Natisha come over, do a little thing for wash them, look clothes, wash up a little plate, then cook some food.
There go.
Come down.
Natisha. Usually man say now wash the complete them female little clothes.
Watch it now if I see her washing the gully while them call out my name and so fast me that truck off. So I say, just to see a bar, you know. That's a movie. That's a movie.
Hey, say, if I see her washing at the gully and them call their name and the quickest they chuck off.
Chuck off.
You see that, Natisha? The man go all out for you, boy.
Man, you make people bust my head.
Man, squad here, set, you know.
Man, you make people bust my head.
I hear me a game and tell them.
You look grateful, man.
Yeah.
Water now chipping it up flying. Chuck off.
And just hold on for one tree limb.
Hold on for
suck on for my neck and just come on.
Release. Jaja. Alright then, bless her. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.